Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to find Greenlegocats123's background music. Before we get started, remember to hit that subscribe button. Okay, now we can begin the video. Let's look at his most recent video. Now let's look at the playlist in the description. Sound familiar? It's because this is the exact same song that Greenlegocats123 used in that video. Let's look at another video of his. Now let's go back to that playlist and find that tune. That's also the same song. If you still don't believe me, let's compare the song from the playlist and the audio from the video. I will be using Audacity to show the waveforms. To get the MP3 files, I will be using a YouTube to MP3 converter and then upload them to the application, Audacity. Okay, now I'm uploading the files. Try to remember the shape of the waveforms. The audio is identical. There is the proof that the playlist actually has Greenlegocats123's background music. By the way, this playlist also has another famous YouTuber's music. Check out the video in the top right. Thank you all for watching this video. Remember to check out my other vids too before you leave. See you later, gamer.